Steps 1. Choose template. Steps 2. Customize. Drag and drop your images. Click your text, and scroll to the right font size and color. Steps 3. Hit and export. Fast, easy, and game-changing, make studio quality videos as easy as 1, 2, 3. Pick templates. Choose from our library of cutting-edge templates for every style and site. Customize. Drag and drop your pictures, pick your colors, and edit your text as easy as a simple PowerPoint presentation. Export. Export your video from PowerPoint in video format to see your final product in action.